Did you know that your body houses about 37.2 trillion cells, all working tirelessly to keep you alive and kicking? Yes, you heard it right, 37.2 trillion. This is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of physiology, a scientific discipline that peels back the layers of the human body to reveal the secrets within. Physiology, in essence, is the study of life. It's a field that seeks to understand how everything from tiny cells to complex organ systems work together to make us who we are. It's like a grand orchestra where each instrument, or in this case, each cell and organ, plays a vital role in creating the symphony of life. The roots of physiology can be traced back to ancient times when curiosity led humans to question how their bodies function. Since then, it has grown and evolved, branching out into numerous subdisciplines, each delving into the mysteries of a specific aspect of the human body. Physiology allows us to explore the various organ systems that exist within us, each with its unique role. These include the circulatory system, our body's transportation network, the nervous system, our internal communication hub, the respiratory system, our built-in air filter, and many more. It's like a bustling city where every citizen, every structure, every system has a purpose. Now you might wonder, isn't this similar to anatomy? Well, not quite. While anatomy paints the picture of our body's structure, physiology goes a step further to explain how these structures function and interact. It's the difference between looking at a beautiful piece of machinery and understanding how each cog and wheel contributes to its operation. Physiology also introduces us to key concepts and terms that help us navigate this complex labyrinth. Cells, tissues, organs, systems, these are the building blocks of life, the vocabulary of physiology. Studying physiology is not just for healthcare professionals or researchers, it's for anyone who's ever wondered about the miracle of life, about the intricate machinery that keeps us going. It's about understanding ourselves better, one cell, one organ, one system at a time. Diving into physiology is akin to embarking on an adventurous journey through the intricacies of our own bodies. So buckle up as we set off to explore this fascinating world in our upcoming series, Physiology Explained. Stay tuned. Just like a well-conducted orchestra, your body is a symphony of various organ systems working in harmony. Our bodies, complex and intricate, are composed of numerous organ systems, each singing its own tune, yet in perfect harmony with the others. Let's start with the circulatory system. Imagine it as the bass player of our body's orchestra. Its steady rhythm, the pulsating heartbeat, pumps life-giving blood to every corner of our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients that our cells crave for. Next, we have the nervous system, the conductor of the orchestra, sending signals and instructions to every organ, tissue, and cell. It ensures that all the systems are playing their parts correctly and in time, coordinating the overall performance. The respiratory system, much like the wind section of the orchestra, breathes life into our body. It takes in oxygen from the air we breathe and expels carbon dioxide, a waste product, in a constant rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. Our digestive system, akin to the percussion section, breaks down what we eat into smaller pieces, much like how a drummer breaks the silence with a beat. It extracts nutrients from our food and discards the waste, keeping our body nourished and energized. The muscular and skeletal systems are like the string section of the orchestra, providing structure, support, and enabling movement. They work together to allow us to dance to the rhythm of life. Lastly, our endocrine system, the subtle and often overlooked harpist in the corner, plays a crucial role in maintaining the harmony. It releases hormones, the body's natural chemical messengers, regulating processes like growth, metabolism, and mood. Each system, with its unique function, performs its part in this grand symphony. Yet much like an orchestra, they don't function in isolation. They interact, collaborate, and even compensate for each other, creating a balanced, well-coordinated performance that keeps us alive and well. Each of these systems, though different in their functions, are like members of a band, playing in sync to create the marvelous symphony that is life. Have you ever wondered about the difference between physiology and anatomy? Let's dive into that. Imagine being at a grand symphony orchestra. Anatomy would be akin to appreciating the intricate design of each instrument, the craftsmanship involved in creating them. Physiology, on the other hand, is like listening to these instruments play together, understanding how they harmonize, and how each note contributes to the beautiful music being produced. In a more biological context, anatomy is the study of the structures within our bodies, from bones to muscles and everything in between. Physiology, conversely, is the study of how these structures function and interact. It's about the dynamics, the processes, the mechanisms. It's about how your heart beats, how your lungs breathe, how your muscles contract. Just as a symphony needs both the instruments and the music they produce, our understanding of the human body needs both anatomy and physiology. In the world of biology, anatomy and physiology are like two sides of the same coin, each incomplete without the other. In the realm of physiology, cells, tissues, organs, and systems are the basic vocabulary. Let's dive into these terms and see how they intertwine to create the symphony of life within us. First up, we have cells, the fundamental units of life. They're like the individual musicians in an orchestra, each performing their unique part, yet contributing to the overall harmony. Each cell is self-contained, encapsulating all the machinery needed for survival and function. Next, we have tissues. Imagine a group of musicians playing the same instrument. That's essentially what tissues are. They're groups of similar cells working together to perform a common function. For example, muscle tissue is made up of muscle cells, all contracting and relaxing in unison to allow us to move. Moving up the ladder, we come to organs. An organ is like a section of the orchestra, let's say the string section, where different instruments, or tissues in our case, come together to perform a more complex function. Take the heart, for example. It's an organ made up of muscle tissue, nerve tissue, and connective tissue, all working together to pump blood around the body. Finally, we reach the systems level. A system is like the entire orchestra, with all the different sections or organs working together to create the symphony, or in our case, to maintain life. Consider the digestive system, which includes organs like the stomach and intestines, all working together to break down food and absorb nutrients. So you see, these terms, cells, tissues, organs, and systems, are all interconnected, each level building on the one before it. They're not just isolated concepts, they form a continuum, a hierarchy of organization that is fundamental to understanding how our bodies work. These terms form the basic building blocks of understanding physiology, just like alphabets for a language. This language, the language of physiology, is the key to unlocking the mysteries of the human body. And as we continue our journey through this fascinating field, we'll be adding more words to our vocabulary, exploring new sentence structures, and delving into the captivating stories that physiology has to tell. Why should anyone bother studying physiology, you ask? Well, imagine you're a detective and the human body is your crime scene. You're trying to solve the mystery of how it works, or in some cases, why it doesn't. That's essentially what physiology is all about, unraveling the secrets of our bodies. Now, if you're a healthcare professional, your ability to diagnose, treat, and care for patients hinges on your understanding of physiology. It's the foundation upon which medical knowledge is built. Without it, you're essentially trying to navigate a labyrinth in the dark. A deep understanding of physiology allows you to predict how the body will respond to different treatments and interventions. It's the compass that guides you through the complex maze of healthcare. But what if you're not in healthcare? Why should you care about physiology? Well, have you ever wondered why your heart races when you're scared, or why you feel hungry even when you've just eaten? Physiology holds the answers to these questions and more. It's like having the user manual to your own body. It helps you understand why you feel the way you do, and how you can take better care of yourself. For researchers, physiology is a treasure trove of unexplored potential. It's a field ripe with opportunities for discovery and innovation. Every new insight into how the body works opens up possibilities for developing new treatments, therapies, and technologies. It's like being an explorer in an uncharted territory, where every step forward can lead to groundbreaking advancements. But beyond its practical applications, studying physiology also enriches our appreciation for the wonder that is life. It's a humbling reminder of the intricate beauty and complexity of our bodies, and the delicate balance that sustains us. It's a testament to the marvels of evolution and the resilience of life. Physiology is not just a subject to be studied, but a journey to be embarked on, leading to a deeper understanding and appreciation of the miracle that is life. As we wrap up our first episode, let's peek into what the future holds. Our journey into the captivating realm of physiology is just beginning. We'll be diving deeper into the labyrinth of the human body, exploring the intricate connections and complex functions that keep us ticking. From the bustling highways of our circulatory system to the electrifying web of our nervous system, we'll uncover the mysteries that lie beneath our skin. We'll delve into the world of cells, the building blocks of life, and discover how they work together to form tissues and organs. We'll also venture into the fascinating fields of muscular, skeletal, and endocrine physiology. For those of you who have ever wondered about the magic behind a heartbeat, the power of a muscle contraction, or the secret messages of hormones, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Stay tuned for our next episode as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of physiology. Remember, knowledge is the pathway to understanding, and understanding is the key to life. Before we conclude this episode, let's talk about how you can be an active part of this exciting journey. We're not just here to tell you about physiology. We're here to inspire you to explore, question, and understand the incredible world within us. And the best way to do that is by engaging with us. Leave your thoughts, questions, and theories in the comments below. Have a topic you're itching to know more about? Let us know. We're always looking for new ideas. And who knows, your question could be the inspiration for our next video. We're also on various social media platforms where we share exclusive content, updates, trivia, and fun facts about physiology. Follow us there to get your daily dose of science. And finally, if you've enjoyed this video and are excited about the upcoming journey, do us a favor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Not only does it help us reach more people, but it also ensures you never miss an episode. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of physiology? We sure are. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep asking questions. Because that's how we grow. See you in the next episode.